Hawaii has become the first state to raise the smoking age to 21. Public health officials there are hoping they can prevent young people from picking up the unhealthy addiction by making it harder for them to get their hands on cigarettes.
E-cigarettes are also included in the new law. Nearly 1 in 4 high school students in Hawaii uses e-cigarettes. That's up 400% over the past 4 years. Now, while Hawaii is the first state to raise the smoking age to 21, more than 100 cities and counties have done so, and that includes New York City, which I learned about this today. But Kate, when you look at e-cigarette use, do you think that there's a misconception about how bad it really is for you?
Oh, absolutely. I remember I was doing stories on this last year, and I said, I didn't even realize, you don't think of it as harmful, because it's the quote healthier, you know, people think of it as the healthy alternative. It's how it's perceived. And the truth is, it's really dangerous, and especially, you know, when you're 18, is there a difference in how, you know, you're able to access it when you're 18 to 21? I think it's a good move, especially if your peers are doing it, you're more likely to be pressured to do it.
Well, and that's the thing. I mean, you see some of these numbers coming out of Hawaii, and it's no surprise they act. High school students in Hawaii smoking e-cigarettes quadrupled over the last 4 years, and the number of middle schoolers increased by 6-fold. So, I mean, we are seeing huge increases.
A middle school?
Middle schoolers.
Yeah, that's
These
crazy.
are young kids. 12% of middle schoolers in 2015 reported using e-cigarettes. I don't know if going from 18 to 21 is quite far enough. I mean, there's always this argument, if you're old enough to vote, if you're old enough to serve your country, then you're old enough to make an informed decision about smoking.
I do think it's about access, though. So now you don't have high school students who are able to buy cigarettes because of this, whether it's e-cigarettes or regular cigarettes, and they can't give them to their friends who are younger than them. Here in Minnesota, more young Minnesotans are also using e-cigarettes right now. It's up 28%. That's with high school students who have tried e-cigarettes in the last 30 days. But Kate, in terms of the perception about e-cigarettes, do you think that being a little bit older, as far as purchasing goes, will make a difference?
I don't know if it's going to necessarily make a difference, but I mean, I just think we've seen other efforts like this. I mean, the University of Minnesota, they have already, all of their campuses are now smoke-free, and it includes e-cigarettes. So, I mean, we've seen, this is the first state, but it's, there's other...
But there's cities that do this. Needham, Massachusetts did this 10 years ago, back in 2005. And in the last decade, they have seen the percentage of adult smokers drop by 50% compared to the rest of the state. So, I mean, you could say correlation instead of causation, but I mean, that's a pretty interesting stat. So if you are just even upping it by 3 years, maybe that's the way to combat it. I do wonder if this is just the start. Is this something that is eventually going to be outlawed altogether, made illegal? But it's an interesting conversation.